So I've tried the paper clip and magnet to make a heart with cat eye gels and failed miserably at it many times. It wasn't until one of you viewers, and you know who you are, inspired me to make this video for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy.
Oh, these paper clips. Man, frustrating as hell.
What the fuck?
I even tried making a super magnet. Look at this thing. 20 magnets later and still nothing. Like with most videos, they shift the magnetic particles towards the center of the nail, which I find with this gel very unnecessary. Unwind and fold your paper clip in half. What is necessary is getting your magnet and the paper clip even, like you see here. Get your paper clip close to the nail, but do not touch. So you'll see I do not shift the particles around. I just brushed on my cat eye gel and then I bring my paper clip up to that nail. Be patient, this is playing in real time because you do want to see the particles shift around and that heart form before you quickly pull the magnet off. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and if you guys want to save 10% off gelish.com, use my code VuDooNails10.